Alright, what's up everybody? So, wanted to talk about the my new water filter. And sorry about the noise of the waterfall in the back. This is just the best place I could get water right now. But I got the I got the Katadyn Befree. I want to show you how quick the flow is. So let's go get some water. Okay, so I filled this up. Make sure you wipe down the bottle and everything. I'm really not a fan of the bag, but look at this. I mean, look at that. I'm not even squeezing hard, and I suggest you don't, because this bag is kind of crappy, in my opinion. I'm not speeding up the time or anything on the camera. I had a liter in this bag. And there you go. It's pretty much done. The parameters on this thing, or its ability, is the same as a Sawyer squeeze. The only thing is it's not going to last as long. What I do like about it is its flow rate. Also, I actually got some algae on the filter, and the way you're supposed to actually clean it is you go in the water there and you just swish it around. You can do that in the dirty water because it's the dirty water side, I believe. Clean water, just don't drink from it ever after that. Beautiful, no back flushing, nothing. What I hate about it is the bag and this crappy top that it almost looks like a throwaway bottles top. That's like the, look at this. And you just know that's just gonna fall off after a while. The reason I got this is because my Sawyer squeeze actually was giving me a problem. Maybe I let it get too dry without distilled water, and the hardness in the water got into all the pores because it got super slow. I don't know why that happened to me. It bound up. No flow, pretty much no flow from the Sawyer squeeze. So anyway, I'm trying to beat the rain here. Wanted to show you the flow rate on the Befree, and let me filter the rest of these things, get back to camp. Later, guys.